Welcome to MacPhee Ford. We're located at 580 on Portland Street in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. Today is an exciting day for us here at the dealership. You're looking at the all-new, completely redesigned 2020 Ford Explorer. This one we're looking at is the Platinum trim. It has the brand new 3-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, which produces 365 horsepower and 380 foot-pounds of torque. It is, of course, four-wheel drive and has a 10-speed automatic transmission. This SUV has a 6-passenger capacity, comes in star white metallic, and has a black leather interior. But the only thing that hasn't changed with the new Explorer is the key fob, which of course has remote engine start. The vehicle still has a keyless entry keypad, as well as an intelligent access door handle. Now, as you can see, Ford did an excellent job with the interior of this new Explorer. All dials and buttons have been updated. There's a new two-tone seat design, which are both power adjustable and have lumbar support. I'm really loving that wooden trim, by the way. But as we get in the car and start it up, you'll see the dash has been updated to be completely digital. The steering wheel has a slightly new feel to it, but still has the same features. Over on the right here, you have some dash controls. So in here you have off-road status, intelligent four-wheel drive, tire pressure, eco, performance, etc. Over on the left here you have some audio controls as well as cruise. It does have adaptive cruise. On the end of the wand there is your lane keeping system. Now, one thing I did forget to mention on the right side is your customizable main menu. Now, moving over to probably one of the boldest changes Ford made, the portrait-oriented 10.1-inch touchscreen with an all-new looking layout. It mostly has the same features as previous models: phone, nav, apps. But that being said, in your settings under driver assistance, you'll see a couple new features such as speed sign recognition and reverse brake assist. Now, the Platinum trim level also has multi-contour or massaging seats, just like the Platinum and Limited F-150s. But with the 2020 model, they've added a more customizable element to your massage. And then finally, we have a Ford Pass Connect, which allows you 24/7 connectivity with your vehicle, as well as having a 4G LTE modem with Wi-Fi hotspot. Moving down, we have audio controls as well as your parking sensors and front-facing camera with 3 different angles. Just below that is your dual-zone climate control. Both driver and passenger seats are heated and cooled. We also have a heated steering wheel. Next is your shift dial. Then we have your electronic parking brake as well as the auto hold feature. Just behind that is your auto start-stop button, park assist, hill descent, and your traction control. The dial in the center obviously is your drive modes. The new Explorer has 7 different drive modes, each one with a very unique and futuristic look on the dash. So first we have the normal mode, then eco, sport, tow and haul. Then we have your slippery feature, trail mode, and lastly deep snow and sand. Then lastly, of course, you have your beautiful panoramic sunroof that most new vehicles have adopted now. The Platinum Explorer has 21-inch premium aluminum wheels, integrated turn signals in the side mirrors that fold or unfold when you lock or unlock. It has privacy glass in the rear windows, as well as roof rails. There's LED tail lights, dual twin-tip exhaust. We also have a Class 3 trailer tow package with trailer sway control, as well as a foot-activated trunk release. We also have the button on the inside of the door to close. As you can see, there's plenty of cargo space in the back of this. There's also storage underneath the carpet. Now, the rear seats are power folding. You can either do that individually or together. And of course, like previous models, there is the button on the key fob to open or close the trunk. The Explorer has a premium 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. There's sun blinds in the second row. Rubber floor mats throughout the entire vehicle. There's also a fairly large center console between the two seats with a couple of cup holders. Now these seats are heated, and as you can see, there's also AC and heat controls for the rear. And just below that, there's a 150-watt AC power outlet. Now the middle row seats have a new feature. They have a power assist fold for easy entry, but be careful, they do have quite a kick to them. Now as for some updated safety features on the Explorer, Ford has updated the Copilot 360 technology and have added evasive steering assist, and like I mentioned earlier in the video, speed sign recognition. There is also pre- and post-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, along with adaptive headlights and safety belt monitoring on all three rows. Now I've only shown you the tip of the iceberg, but if you like the new 2020 Explorer just as much as I do, then make sure to stop by MacPhee Ford on Portland Street to have your very own hands-on experience with one of these well-designed, award-winning midsize SUVs, and keep your eyes and ears tuned for more exciting updates and new releases from Ford in the upcoming months. For more info on our dealership, check out MacPheeFord.com or find us on Facebook.